everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Kicking off outfit of the day, where you get a week of outfits. You get lots of puppies. You get life and PA weather all in there. So I sure hope you stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you're new, I'm Laura. My furry sidekicks are Dexter the Beagle, Loki the Westie. We have Willie the Jack Russell, and we can't forget Harvey the kitty, who only makes special guest appearances. He considers his time very valuable. So it is Sunday morning. There's fresh snow on the ground. It is 31 degrees, getting up to 41, which actually might have been last night. I'm thinking that the temperature now is just going to go down. Yeah. So 41 was last night or early this morning. And it's kind of a dreary day, no sun, nothing. And I can tell you the first week of the month kicked my butt. I don't know about the rest of you, but boy, it was a busy one, and it wiped me out. So I did sleep in this morning, and then I just decided to go with a very casual, comfy outfit. This outfit is from Evereve. You're going to see it this week coming up in a Evereve haul. I have on cut from the cloth. No, Evereve pants, Daydreamer sweatshirt, and my Uggs. These did not come from Evereve. They came from Nordstrom, and I got them for free with the rewards that I had. So that was nice, and I really like them. You could wear them as slippers, or you can wear them out and about. I've kind of done both, so I've been trying really hard not to get them all too messed up so that I can continue to wear them in my house when I want to. And that's my outfit. So Loki and I do have a video planned for you today, so we're going to get to it. Hope your week starts off amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. Let's see, it is 28 degrees outside, getting up to 34. My Evereve haul posted today. Love that one, such a goodie. Hope you check it out. For my outfit today, I have on Mother Denim from Nordstrom. I have on a Z Supply sweater I got in Wantable. It says cozy. It is cozy. Put on my shoes that are Dolce Vita that I got from Stitch Fix, so comfy. And to top it all off, I have this Z Supply jacket that I got from the Z Supply site, and I think I got it last year. Definitely wasn't this winter season. It was like last season. All right, so that's a wrap on Monday. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is 39 degrees, but getting up to 47 today. The sun's trying to come out, but it's been in and out all day. So it's been relatively grayish today with peaks of sunlight. For my outfit today, I have on Good American Denim from Nordstrom. I have on a Market and Spruce tee from Stitch Fix. I have on this little Evereve sweater, which I'm enjoying. Love the color. For shoes, how about these fun ones from Kork-Ease? Got those from a Trendsend. And I think that's it. I have on the necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack. Off to work I go. Hope you're doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is a rainy day, 43 degrees. The Tree of Terror are all here. My Trendsend posted today. It was a great one as always. Like, my stuffs always do an amazing job. And I end up keeping everything except for 3 pieces. So I returned the cloth and stone. Guys, hey, be nice. Leopard print cami. I returned that. I think I just wasn't sure how much I would grab for it, and I wasn't sure, since I couldn't adjust the straps, that it was a perfect fit. Or even if I could, I wasn't sure it was a perfect fit, if I'm remembering properly now. I returned the Nation off-shoulder top. I liked it, but it was hitting me like right here, and that just didn't work for me. And then I returned the Z Supply Sunseeker tank. I really liked it as well, but it was too small, so I returned it. Everything else I kept. For my outfit today, amidst the terror chaos of these 3, I have on, let's see, Agolde jeans, what is this one? Is this one's Nations or LNA? This one's LNA, so an LNA top. This came from a Trendsend. I have on a belt from Front Door Fashion. My shoes are Vince Camuto from a Stitch Fix. And my jacket is an oldie but a goodie. It is Jack by BB Dakota. I don't even know if that's even still a brand. Love this. So, so very soft. And that's my outfit today. So, a little bit of concerning news about Harvey. He's been having some issues where he's going to the bathroom in the house where he's not supposed to. We were trying to figure out what was going on, and then we noticed that he actually had blood in his urine. He went before Christmas to the vet. They thought maybe he had an infection, put him on all the antibiotics and steroids, went back 2 weeks later, and it turns out that it's not an infection. He actually has a mass in his bladder. Too delicate to do surgery on, especially at his age. So he's on more medicine, and we'll see how it goes, but not what we had hoped for. I'm pretty attached to Harvey now, so hopefully with some medication we can manage it for a bit, but that's where we are. So don't want to end the day on a sour note. So we'll look at Loki. Loki's such a sweetheart. Loki is finally getting groomed tomorrow, so this might be the last time that you see him all shaggy like a fuzzy wuzzy, right? Finally, my girl is back. So he's getting groomed tomorrow. Dexter is getting his grooming on Friday, but he won't be as dramatic since he's a little short. He's a short hair doggy, huh? Loki should be pretty dramatic, right? All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is a cold one, so 19 degrees outside. We got some snow flurries, freezing, all the winter things. For my outfit today, I have to run to my dad's after work, so I'm dressed comfortably. I have on Pistola pants I got in a Stitch Fix, a Z Supply top I got in a Trendsend. Picked up my Linea Paola sneakers, like these ones. They have a little bit of a heel, they're fun. Got those in a trunk club, so Nordstrom Once Upon a Time. For my jacket, this one is an oldie but a goodie from BB Dakota. I'm sticking with all the warm and cozies right now. I love this because it has like the black and white stripe at the sleeve. Otherwise, it's just something you want to like snuggle up and sleep in. For my jewelry, I have on a Gorjana necklace, necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack. We're off to the races. I got to get back to work, and I will see you tomorrow for Friday. Hey everybody, it is Friday. We made it. Time for outfit of the day. The gang is all here except for Harvey. He's decided not to join us. And it's cold. It's so cold outside. So it's like a low of 13, a high of 34. So we're really in that freezing range, and it's very, very uncomfortable outside if you're out there for too long. Even for the puppers, they don't like to stay out. The only one that doesn't seem to mind it as much is Loki, but of course he hasn't been groomed for a while, so maybe when he finally does get his groom, which it was supposed to be yesterday, but it's a mobile groomer and she can't do it in the freezing cold, so he's been pushed out now for a few weeks because next week is supposed to be really cold too, and then I'm traveling, so we had to move it. But for the Friday Funny, so this is just an example of the complete and utter destruction that these animals do to their toys. Willie specifically loves to get in there and pull all the guts of his toys out. Every last thing, so he gets the plastic because the plastic makes that crinkling sound in the toys. Well, he rips all that out. He rips all the stuffing out. And then usually the other dogs join him as well and just rip them to pieces. Huh. So that's what my living room looks like on the Norm. And for my outfit today, I have on AG denim. I have on a Loft long sleeve tee. And then I have on a Liverpool jacket. Got this one in a Stitch Fix. My jewelry, I have on a, okay, shh. I have on a Gorjana necklace. I have on a necklace my husband got me. I have on my bracelet stack. What do you smell, huh? And that's my outfit today. You guys all want to say hi. You all, yes, you all want to say hi. All right, that's a wrap, and we will see you tomorrow for one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It is 37 degrees outside. That's the high for today. I'm doing this just after lunchtime. I had a hair appointment this morning and I was exhausted. Didn't want to get up, number one. Number two, the dogs made horrific messes that I stepped in, literally, um, when I got up. So then I was behind just by trying to clean everything up before I left my house. Everybody else was, of course, still asleep. And so then I had no time to get ready because I had used up all that time to figure out my outfit choice, cleaning up dog messes. And so this outfit was pulled together incredibly quickly by the first things that I saw. So my outfit today is AG denim. I have on a Cabi top. I have on the same shoes as yesterday. You know, they were out. My belt is Evereve, and I put on this Skies Are Blue jacket from JB Stylebox to top it all off and give it a little bit of pizzazz. So that's my outfit. For my video today, it was a stitch fix, and I thought it was a great one. My stylist Kelsey was back, so I really enjoyed my pick. I know I was kind of going back and forth about them whenever I talked to you about it. And I was leaning towards 3, and then to keep 5, which these are not cheap items, was only $40 more. I just went for the 5. So I kept the cut from the cloth pants, love those. I kept the Z Supply local sweater. I did size up in the Sanctuary denim shirt. I already have the next size, and I love it. I kept the line and dot leopard cardigan, and I agree. Someone wrote I'd like to see it worn open. I think that is how I'm going to wear it because I love that cut. It looks very Parisian chic. So I think I might wear it with like a black tank and a little, you know, and wear it as open as opposed to closed. And then I kept the Meg high rise wide leg, the ones with the fun. It looks like vented, but the extra seaming detail, the pleat, the leg front pleat, right? And then I kept the cut from the cloth leather looking pants. So the coated pants, those were super cute. That was everything. And that's a wrap on this week's outfit of the day. So as always, I will list all of my outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll let you know which box, and all of those links are down below as well. If you use any of my links, it really keeps this channel going. I make no money on my channel, so just by hitting the links, hitting like, subscribing, swiping the hype, all of the things help me keep this channel going. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were, so don't forget to comment down below, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody.